is it sad that I started this video really depressed and suddenly this fucking giant YouTuber who is clearly a piece of shit made me feel powerful again? Maybe I do like to suffer. Knowing that you cannot make me suffer. That's sad. All my life I was a nobody. I never mattered to anyone. No one ever gave a shit about me. My best friend comes back after all this time in this stream just to say, don't let people talk to you the way that they do, Tibbz, but have a good life. Like it's the last time we'll ever talk. Yeah, that breaks me a little bit. I'm a fucking nobody. Nobody is the last thing you never see.